Hi folks, this is Klaus at Top Hydraulics. We're presenting a series of videos today on fixing the convertible top on your Mercedes R171 SLK class. The R171 was made from 2004 through 2010, called model years 2004 through 2010 in most countries. In the US it would be model year 2005 through 2011. Now the convertible top roof in the SLK has a pump and 5 cylinders that will eventually fail. We'll show you every single step that it takes to remove and replace these, to remove and replace them with better and yet far cheaper parts than you would have to get from Mercedes if you get them from Top Hydraulics instead. Let me show you where these parts are, but before I do that, I want to get one thing across. That is, it's actually quite simple to replace these parts if you know how to do it. And that's what the video is all about. It is supposed to give you the confidence and courage to tackle the job. It shows you every single step. You need only standard tools, and with that and a little bit of time and dedication, you can get the job done. So let me show you briefly what these parts are. There is the pump located inside the cabin, behind the seats, in the middle behind the seats, the convertible top hydraulic pump. Then there is the front lock cylinder or front latch cylinder that's located in the top panel. It tends to be the first one to leak, but we'll get into it in more detail later. Once this one leaks, it's best to take care of everything in one wash and never have to worry about this top again. Then there are 2 main lift cylinders, one on the left side, one on the right side, on the side of the roll bar, hiding down here, basically between the rollover bar and the C-pillar. Then we have 2 trunk lid cylinders, trunk lid drive cylinders that are hiding in the trunk, and they are lifting or flipping back the trunk lid so that the roof can retract. Again, hiding in the trunk here, far down in a corner behind the wheel well. We will have separate videos on removing the trim. That is key, removing the trim so you have access to the parts, and we will also show you the location of microswitches and some other common tricks for diagnostics of this top. Thanks.